Baddha Konasana is one of the most important asana in Hatha Yoga because it has so many benefits and variations. So UJX के आज के सेशन में हम सीखेंगे how to do Baddha Konasana and variations of Baddha Konasana. Also at the end of this session, I will tell you one unique fact about this asana. So let's get started. Now before we start today's session, I would like to tell you all about our website ujx.co.in जहाँ पे विजिट करके आप योगा आसन, प्राणायाम, जनरल योगा प्रैक्टिस, स्पिरिचुअल योगा एंड मेडिकल योगा के बारे में बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हो। इतना ही नहीं बल्कि अगर आपको जनरल योगा प्रैक्टिस पे कोई बुक रीड करनी है देन यू कैन चेक आउट माई बुक हैव अ कप ऑफ योगा एवरी डे, जिसमें मैंने हर एक एज ग्रुप के लिए एक प्रॉपर शेड्यूल बनाया है फॉर योगा प्रैक्टिस। तो इस सेशन को देखने के बाद प्लीज़ गो एंड विजिट आवर वेबसाइट ujx.co.in. Okay, so first let's understand what is the meaning of Baddha Konasana. So Baddha means restrained, Kona means angle and Asan means pose or posture. And इस आसन के टोटल 3 वेरिएशंस है. First is actual Baddha Konasana, second is Sukta Baddha Konasana and third is Adhomukha Baddha Konasana. And today I will teach you all the 3 variations. So first let's learn how to do the first variation, that is the actual Baddha Konasana. First sit on the floor with the legs straight in front. Then slowly bend the knees and bring the feet closer to the trunk. Bring the soles and heels of the feet together. Hold the toes and bring the heels near the perineum. And back of the heels should touch the perineum. Open the inner thighs and try to touch the knees on the floor. Interlock the fingers, hold the feet firmly and straighten the spine. Now hold the asana for 40 seconds with normal breathing. Now release the feet, straighten the legs and relax. Now this was the classical Baddha Konasana. But if you are a beginner, then what you can do is sit on a height, take 2 full tail blankets, pillows or yoga block under the buttocks. क्योंकि जब आप बटक्स के नीचे हाइट लेके बैठते हो तब स्पाइन को स्ट्रेट करना इजी हो जाता है। और नीज को सपोर्ट देने के लिए यू कैन कीप 2 योगा ब्लॉक्स लाइक दिस, जिससे ये आसन करना एंड आसन में स्टे करना आपके लिए इजी होगा। नाउ यू शुड कीप दिस 3 थिंग्स इन माइंड व्हाइल परफॉर्मिंग द आसन. फर्स्ट, डोंट फोर्सफुली ट्राई टू टच द नीज ऑन द फ्लोर बिकॉज दिस एक्शन कैन ईजिली डैमेज योर नीज. Second, don't tighten the neck or the abdomen and don't hold the breath at all. And the third is don't bend the spine. क्योंकि अगर आप स्पाइन को बेंड करते हो तो आपके बॉडी में से लेंथ एंड कनेक्टिविटी चली जाएगी, और अगर आपके बॉडी में लेंथ एंड कनेक्टिविटी ही नहीं होगी तो आपको इस आसन से बेनिफिट नहीं मिल पाएगा. Now let's understand the benefits of this आसन. First, this आसन helps to open the hips and the inner thighs. Second, you can do this asana soon after eating for better digestion. Third, this asana is really good for those suffering from urinary disorders. Fourth, the pelvis, the abdomen and the back get good blood supply. Fifth, regular practice of this asana keeps the kidneys and the urinary bladder healthy. Sixth, if you have sciatica pain then this asana will help you a lot. Seventh, it prevents hernia. 8th, even regular practice of this asana relieves pain and heaviness in the testicles. 9. This asana is a blessing for pregnant women because a pregnant woman who practice this asana regularly will have much less pain during delivery मतलब जब डिलीवरी के दौरान जो पेन होता है वो कम होगा। एंड 10th, इट हेल्प्स अ लॉट विद इर्रेगुलर मेंस्ट्रुअल पीरियड्स। Now let's learn the second variation, that is Supta Baddha Konasana. So Supta means lying down, Baddha means restrained, Kona means angle, and Asana means pose or posture. So first, sit in Baddha Konasana. Then slowly lie down on your back. Keep the hands by the sides and palm facing upwards. Close your eyes completely, relax your facial skin and stay in the asana for 1 minute with normal and even breathing. Then slowly open your eyes. Bend the hands and legs one by one. Turn towards the right side. Keep the right hand under the head. Stay there for few seconds. Then slowly sit and relax. So this was the classical Supta Baddha Konasana, but if you are a beginner, then you can use 2 yoga blocks this way to support the knees. This will make the asana more comfortable and easy to perform. Now you should keep these 2 things in mind while performing the asana. First, don't tighten the neck and the abdomen, and second, don't hold the breath when you are in the asana. Now let's understand the benefits of this asana. First, this asana helps to relax the spine and also it helps to relax the mind. Now the third variation is Adho Mukha Baddha Konasana. So Adho means down and Mukha means face. And now you already know the meaning of Baddha Konasana. So let's learn how to do the asana. First sit in Baddha Konasana, then exhale, bend forward, place the elbows on the thighs and press them down. Then keep the nose and then the chin on the floor. Stay in the asana for 30 seconds with normal breathing. Then inhale, raise the trunk from the floor and come back to the starting position. Then release the feet, straighten the legs and relax. So this was the classical Adho Mukha Baddha Konasana. बट इफ़ यू आर अ बिगिनर, आई मीन अगर आपने बद्ध कोणासन और सुप्त बद्ध कोणासन की प्रैक्टिस ही 2 से 3 वीक पहले से शुरू की है, देन आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू नॉट परफॉर्म दिस आसन, क्योंकि ये आसन करने से पहले आपको बद्ध कोणासन और सुप्त बद्ध कोणासन की प्रैक्टिस रेगुलरली 8 से 10 वीक तक करनी होगी एंड देन उसके बाद ट्राई टू डू दिस आसन, क्योंकि व्हेन यू प्रैक्टिस योगा यू ट्राई टू रीअरेंज द एंटायर सिस्टम ऑफ दिस बॉडी इन इट्स एक्चुअल एंड द मोस्ट सुटेबल फॉर्म एंड इट टेक्स सम टाइम. सो डोंट बी इन हरी एंड गिव योर सेल्फ सम टाइम एंड इट विल हैपन. अभी ये आसन करते समय भी आपको कुछ चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना है, जैसे कि फर्स्ट don't tighten the neck and the abdomen, and second, don't hold your breath when you are in the asana. Now let's understand the benefits of this asana. Regular practice of this asana helps to open the lower body, creates mobility and strength. Now I'll tell you the unique fact about Baddha Konasana. So basically, it's rare to find urinary tract diseases among Indian cobblers. And the reason for that is that they sit all day in these positions when they work. Actually, they sit in half Baddha Konasana, not even in full Baddha Konasana. So just imagine अगर half आसन से इतना benefit मिलता है, तो if you practice this asana regularly and properly, then this asana can give an extraordinary experience to the body. So best of luck with your practice, and that's it for today. Now see you next time. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.